Welcome to our kitchen.
Today we are making spicy vegan noodle soup.
Daikon creates a naturally sweet broth.
Adding sweet tropical pineapple.
Perfect for a sweet and sour balance.
Fresh red tomatoes for color.
Beautiful ripe tomatoes.
Lemongrass brings an amazing citrus aroma.
Crushing releases all the fragrant oils.
Earthy mushrooms for texture. Slicing them perfectly.
Fresh white tofu for protein. Bite-sized tofu cubes.
Adding tasty vegan sausage. Let us prepare the toppings. Heating a little oil.
Frying the tofu until golden.
Look at that perfect golden color.
Setting the crispy tofu aside.
Annatto oil gives a stunning red color. Frying the aromatics. In go the earthy mushrooms. Adding vegan satay for a spicy kick. Coating them beautifully. They look incredibly rich. Time to make the broth.
Starting with pure, fresh water. Adding the sweet vegetables.
Fragrant lemongrass goes in.
Simmering to extract all the natural sweetness.
Adding the fresh tomatoes.
Bringing in the spicy mushrooms.
Look at that stunning red color.
In goes the crispy tofu.
And the savory vegan slices.
Rock sugar for a clean, sweet taste.
Balancing the savory flavors. A touch of vegan sauce.
stirring it all together. Wow. The broth is perfectly done.
Preparing our noodle bowl.
Getting the delicious toppings.
Arranging them beautifully.
More colors and textures.
The bowl is looking amazing.
Now for the spicy broth.
Subscribe for more authentic recipes.
Absolutely mouth-watering. A little fresh cilantro.
Fresh basil is a must. Fresh basil is a must.
So beautiful and fragrant.
Let us serve this hot.
Dinner is served.
Served with fresh, crunchy greens.
This spicy noodle soup is simply amazing. Ready to eat.
Let us taste this rich broth.
Spicy, sweet, and comforting. The perfect bite.
So satisfying.
Mixing in the fresh crunch.
Those noodles soak up all the flavor. A wonderful plant-based meal.
Healthy and delicious.
Beautiful, cozy morning.
Hope you try this at home.
Thank you for watching. Have a great day.
Enjoy your soup.
Cooked with love.
Beautiful details.
So deeply flavorful.
Perfectly presented. A true vegan feast. Colors of nature.
so comforting.
Thank you for joining our kitchen.
See you next time.
See you in the next journey.